Local news for Tuesday the 15th of August. Kiwi Rail is urging people to be alert about the rail network following a rise in incidents involving pedestrians wearing headphones. Kiwi Rail and TrackSafe New Zealand are putting the spotlight on pedestrian safety for this year's Rail Safety Week, a nationwide campaign that raises awareness of safe behaviour around railway tracks. In 2010, there were 15 near misses reported between pedestrians at trains and level crossings throughout the country. Last year, this increased to 94, and so far this year, there have already been 68 near misses reported. 38 incidents to the year June 2017 were recorded in the Wellington region. Police have released the name of a man who died following a crash in Bunnythorpe near Palmerston North last Thursday. He was 71-year-old Warren Anthony Carter of Masterton. Police thoughts are with the family and friends of Mr Carter at this sad time. And the Energy Democracy Wairarapa Solar Cooperative is being launched today. A public meeting is being held at the Carterton Event Centre from 5:30 to explain the project, which covers how you don't even have to have solar panels on your property to be involved. The costs and benefits will also be discussed at tonight's meeting. And in sport, the Farriers at Wairarapa Bush were beaten 31-6 by Poverty Bay Saturday in the annual Jeremy David match in Gisborne. The under-20s also went down to Wanganui in a close game, 27-24, but backed up Sunday, however, to beat Poverty Bay 26-10. And 7 players have been selected for the inaugural Hurricanes Heartland under-20 side. Congratulations. For local news and sport, for Wairarapa TV, I'm Brent Gare.